Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw my version of Iron Man for Among Us. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath. So hope you guys like this little design. So we're gonna start out by drawing the eye area first. So I'm just gonna draw like a little dip here, little angle on the outside right here. Come across, and then this side right here, round down. Same thing here, and then just kind of round off the bottom. Okay, so that's gonna give us the eye area. Now I'm gonna come out to the side right here. Draw a little slant like this, a little bit coming out a little bit more on this side. And then from here, I'm gonna curve all the way around to right here. So that's gonna give us the top of the head. So this is pretty much like all the other Among Us characters, except for this little dip right here. Alright, and then from here, we're gonna continue down. Just curve down, and then right here, I'm gonna continue with this line. So that's gonna be the upper body. So now let's draw in his legs. So right in the middle right here of this space, I'm gonna draw one line across. Okay, so this is gonna be the middle of this, and then just draw a line going this way. And then now right here, come down. Close this off, and that's going to give us one leg. And then this one, just right here, come down, stop a little bit short. Same thing here, close it off. That's going to give us the other leg, and let's give him a little bit more detail right here. Just going to draw his little foot. So I'm going to come down, come out a little bit more on this side, and then just close it off. Just to give it a little bit more detail. Okay, come out, close it off. Alright, so before we draw in the hands, let's draw in the cool little details for his armor. So right in the middle of this, just come down, draw the circle for the arc reactor. Okay, and then just one more circle inside. Okay, and then right below that, I'm gonna draw one line starting on this side. Just come all the way about the midpoint of this. And then from this line right here, just slant out. Now we're gonna come back up here. Let's draw one line coming down. And then from this corner right here, from this point, just curve all the way down right here. So just aim toward this. Okay, and then we're gonna see a little bit of this line on this side for the other side of the body. Okay, and then right here, come up, draw one line going in, and then from here, same line as this. And we can add in a little detail right here. Let's draw in two lines coming out, and then curve down. And let's add in one little line here all the way across. All right, and then for the top, to finish off the, I guess, the helmet area, just come up right here, let's draw one line, and then just kind of curve it all the way up. All right, so let's draw in his hand, and let's draw this one first. Just come out right here, one little curve, come out, and then right here for his thumb, we're gonna give him a little pose. Extend this line on the bottom. Right here from the thumb, come up, and then same thing here, just go up. So we have two slants, and then now for this one, curve down, so that's gonna be one finger, and then let's draw one more in between this space. And then now we just round this out, so that's gonna give us another finger. And then right in the middle right here in the palm, just draw a little oval. All right, so now let's draw in the other hand. So right here, this one's gonna be a slightly different pose. So just come out here, one little curve, come out, and then right here it's gonna be his thumb. So just one little loop. And then here's the back of the fist. We're gonna extend this, come down, and then just kind of round it, connect to the thumb. And we can add in one little line here for the fingers. All right, and then let's see for the little backpack. Again, right in the middle of this, just come out. Right around here on the bottom. And then whatever space you have here, just kind of connect this right behind the hand there. Okay, and let's see, I almost forgot if you want to add in a little bit more detail right here. Just right in the middle, just add one little line like this first. Come up, and then just go out. Alright, so that is it for my version of Iron Man for Among Us. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.